Hello, happy Friday. This is Alicia with Intracoastal Construction. I'm here at one of our homes on South Central and Flagler Beach, and I've shown you this before in some posts. You see it behind me. That is the back of the house, and I wanted to show you the back. Sometimes we don't love the back because it doesn't have anything special. Usually the front is where we put all the fun things, but this home has the observation deck on the top. There we have it. I cannot get up there yet because we don't have stairs, but I wanted to show you this because if we spin around here, there is the ocean right between those houses. So once these lovely people get on their observation deck, they will have an ocean view. So if you are interested in talking about a custom home for you and you would like to take advantage of having ocean views, but maybe not have a huge house, just something that is quaint and lovely, give us a call. Happy Friday.